Writing effective prompts is key to unlocking the full potential of generative AI and getting the results you need. In this video, we'll explore what a prompt is and how to write one that delivers the desired output, including ways to define tone, style, and format. We'll explore how to structure prompts for different use cases, adding context to your prompts, and working with files and images, along with practical tips to avoid common mistakes. Finally, we'll share best practices to help you refine your prompts, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every time. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting precise instructions to guide generative AI models towards accurate and useful responses. It acts as a bridge between human intentions and AI responses, and it is essential for guiding AI models to perform specific tasks. Think of it as asking questions or giving an instruction to an AI model. For example, you could ask it to summarize an article, generate an image, or analyze data. Without a clear prompt, the AI model cannot deliver meaningful results. So what is the importance of effective prompting? Efficient prompting makes the difference between useful and irrelevant outputs. For instance, when asking for information, a clear prompt might generate a clear and precise output, while a vague one might result in generic text. Like, for example, the difference between asking for the power of a specific electric car, in this example, the 2023 Renault Megane E-Tech, versus asking how powerful are electric cars in general. Some examples where real-world applications use prompting include content creation. Example, write a 500-word article about the benefits of renewable energy for urban areas. Visualization, as an example, generate a poster design for a climate change awareness campaign with a focus on renewable energy. Or data insights, like analyze the provided dataset and summarize the quarterly sales trends with regional breakdowns. The principles of prompting revolve around clarity, context, and specificity. A good prompt avoids ambiguity by being direct. Providing context ensures the AI understands the situation or background. Specificity focuses the AI's response, ensuring it aligns with your needs. Clear prompts like summarize this paragraph in one sentence give the AI a specific and actionable task. In contrast, vague prompts like can you make this shorter can lead to unpredictable or undesired outputs. Context provides sufficient background. Contextual prompts such as given the following data, calculate the average revenue for Q1 allows the AI to understand the task fully. A vague request like what's the average lacks the necessary background for precise results. In addition, be specific when prompting an AI. Specific prompts like list the pros and cons of renewable energy in bullet points focus the AI on producing structured outputs. Broad or open-ended questions such as what do you think about renewable energy may lead to irrelevant or overly general responses. Slight changes in wording can drastically alter the output. For example, asking for a story about a cat might give you something generic, but specifying a humorous story about a mischievous cat introduces personality. Similarly, for image generation, adding details like sunset and palm trees shapes the visual output. There are different ways to frame your prompts. Instruction-based prompts directly ask the AI to perform a task, such as explain the importance of recycling. Completion-based prompts allow the AI to continue a given text, useful for storytelling. Role-based prompts set a context or perspective, enabling the AI to respond as a specific persona, like a data analyst. In terms of formatting, text generation is highly adaptable and can adapt to different needs depending on how prompts are structured. By specifying the format, you ensure the output is suited for your specific requirement. We'll discuss 4 major types of responses. Structured responses are organized outputs like lists, tables, or JSON files. For instance, specifying the output format as a table will generate an output in tabular format. The same concept applies if you need a revenue report in JSON format. Generate a revenue report for Q1 in JSON format. This is ideal for tasks where clarity and structure are paramount, such as financial reports or data exports. Analytical prompts focus on explanations, summaries, or evaluations. For example, give me a bullet point list of the key arguments in this article and provide an analysis of points A, B, and C. This is excellent for academic or professional tasks requiring depth and insight. A bad example would be, what do you think about this article? This lacks direction and is unlikely to yield detailed analysis. There is also file generation. File generation or file responses involve generating files ready for download. For example, you can prompt, create a CSV file of the store's revenue reports for March. The AI can produce data outputs that can be downloaded or integrated into tools. Experimenting with prompts allows you to refine your results. Start broad and add details to narrow down the response. Adjusting tone can make content suitable for different audiences, like simplifying complex topics for beginners. And finally, depth can be increased by explicitly asking for detailed responses. Using a combination of these techniques, refinement for clarity, tone adjustment, and depth control can produce content specific for your tasks and audiences. When crafting image prompts, descriptive language is key. This includes using vivid and detailed descriptions that communicate exactly what you want to see. For instance, typing a serene forest with sunlight filtering through trees provides a clear mental picture for the AI to replicate. Adding constraints like style, mood, or lighting further enhances precision, like in this example, where we specify an impressionist style, which guides the AI towards producing visuals that align with the soft, textured characteristics of impressionist art. Likewise, describing lighting as golden hour with soft shadows ensures the output matches a specific time of day and mood. Crafting prompts for data analysis, you need to focus on extracting insights. Good prompts for extracting insights are specific about the type of trends or patterns you want analyzed, like seasonal variations, revenue growth, or demographic performance. A vague prompt like, "What do you see in this data?" lacks focus and may lead to generic outputs. Specifying metrics, timeframes, or regions sharpens the AI's analysis, like asking about trends focusing on Q1 performance and regional differences. Dynamic formats allow you to specify the output style for better interpretation. For instance, requesting a bar chart paired with a summary provides both a visual representation and contextual analysis. A generic request like visualized data might produce an unstructured or unusable response. Tailoring prompts to demand visualizations like pie charts or tables alongside text ensures the results are actionable and easy to understand. You can add further customization to help better visualize and understand your data, like adding highlights, while broad questions may not meet expectations. N-shot prompting simply means providing examples in your prompt for the output format that you want. It enhances control and precision. Zero-shot prompting requires no context, making it useful for general tasks. This is especially useful in general-purpose tasks such as answering factual questions, generating summaries, or creating straightforward content. One-shot prompting introduces a single example, guiding the model effectively. It is particularly helpful when the task requires a specific style or format that may not be immediately clear. Multi-shot prompting is providing multiple examples in the prompt. It is beneficial for complex tasks where subtle nuances or consistent patterns need to be learned. This is quite useful when working with domain-specific content. To conclude, prompting is an art and a science. By mastering it, you unlock the full potential of AI. Start by understanding the basics, experiment with different formats, and gradually explore advanced techniques to refine your skills in prompting for different scenarios, output types, and formats.